This membership area called Photo Bible will allow you to earn from your photos, but I'm going to show you one of two ways that you can actually make money from this. You can either make money from your photos, or you can go and promote this membership as an affiliate and earn $13.69 every single month in affiliate commissions. It's up to you how you want to go about this, but if you are an aspiring photographer, this may be the perfect video for you to learn how to go and get paid for your photos and to get your name out there. Let's get straight into it. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. In today's video, we're specifically going to be talking about Photo Bible, which is a premium membership area where you can go and get paid to post your photos and get paid by people who view them, or you can promote this premium membership Photo Bible as an affiliate and earn $13.69 every single month passively, which is over a 70% commission rate, which is absolutely huge, every single month. Without further ado, I'm not going to waste any time and let's get straight into this. So the first thing that we want to do in order to go about this, you want to come over to digistore24.com where you'll go and find this affiliate platform. But before we get straight into Photo Bible, you don't only have to use this affiliate product for the strategy. If you've got an already existing affiliate product, you can go and use this as well. This is one of the most effective ways to get affiliate marketing sales and a lot of traffic, and not only that, building a brand and building an audience as well. As you'll notice, I talk about that a lot on my channel. Come over to photography and motion picture on your Digistore24 dashboard. It's really easy to create an account. It's just your email, name, password, and verify that. You can then sign in and you will see all these categories over here. What I recommend is also go and choose a category if you see something that you're passionate about, or something that you're good at, or something that you know. For example, if you're into health and fitness, or you're a fitness trainer or a dietitian, you can come over to fitness and health and promote any products over there and make money and build a career out of that. In this case, we're going to be talking about photography and motion picture over here. If you click on that, it's the second product called Photo Bible, or you can just go and search Photo Bible in the search option over here and it will pop up over here. And this has been one of my favorite affiliate products to promote at the moment, as I've had a lot of success with it. I'm going to show you how we can actually go and get a lot of traffic and a lot of sales to this. The first thing you need to do is come over to this little link over here. It's called bestdigicourse.com/PBV over here, which is a link where you can go and download email swipes, banners, and Instagram story ads. You want to go and click on this, and we just want to go and download a couple of email swipes. Now, I'm going to show you a trick that a lot of affiliate marketers do not reveal to you while doing affiliate marketing. Using this strategy, I've honestly seen an extra 40% conversion rate and an extra 40% more money from this strategy. You'll see over here, you've got two emails, email 1 and email 2. Now, we can go and use this to get at least an extra 40% conversion rate at this by using a strategy I called hook, 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 and jab, by giving away value completely for free, giving more value, and then getting a sale in return for that. This is an excellent technique I use with affiliate marketing, which is how I get tons of conversion rates with this. So secondly, which is really important, this part, which I recommend you follow with me, we need to quickly go and put a page together where we can go and collect emails and names to send out these email swipes over here to our leads when they sign up on our page for the free giveaway, which then will take them through our affiliate link to the main membership area where we get $16 every single month. That tool is called Kartra.com. If you want to go and get this tool for just $1 for 30 days and over $5,000 worth of bonuses, trainings, funnels, campaigns done for you that I've created for you that I'm giving away to you. If you ever decide to cancel Kartra, you can still keep them. I'm not charging for that. And you also get Kartra access to all the premium tools for 30 days for just $1. You're going to go and click on plus new page over here. If you come over to squeeze pages, you want to go and choose any template over here. So for example, I like this one over here, this blue one with this little image over here for this specific product, as it suits the entire theme pretty well. So I'm going to go and click on select, click on launch builder over here. This will be a little bit of nitty gritty work, but I do recommend that you follow with me over here. We can just go and type here photography for the page name. We can go and type no category in particular, no site in particular, go and click on create over here, and it will launch up this entire page in the easy drag and drop editor. So what you need to do is from here, really easy. We just want to come over to idplr.com and we want to go and find some kind of free photography product to go and give away to hook in our leads to our paid membership area. Instead of just promoting our affiliate product everywhere, we are now going to go and give away something for free, hooking them into our funnel. And that is a little secret that I've been using for quite a while with affiliate marketing that has been extremely effective. So if we go and search on idplr.com photography, you'll see over here, when I can spell this correctly, there will most likely be some kind of product that we can go and use to give away. So for those of you that don't know, idplr.com is an entire database where you can go and get over 12,000 free resources, ebooks, software, video courses, Photoshop templates, free music that you can go and claim, resell, give away, do what you want with, and make money off of that. This is honestly a hidden gem on the internet. Over here, if you have a look, they have this ebook over here, Photography Tricks, which is an entire ebook that will teach you how to take the perfect photos, how to create the best presets selected for you, and it's all in all a great beginner's guide to starting photography. So we can go and use this product to go and give away completely for free. So all you need to do is go and click on download over here. This product will then download to your PC and you'll take a look over here. You will get your unique download link. The next thing we need to do is we need to go and fill out this page over here. So we're going to leave this as is. Attention, this offer will expire soon. We're going to go and copy the title, Photography Tricks, and we're going to use that for the title on our landing page over here. We're just going to type Photography Tricks Premium $397. We're going to strike a line through the $397 and type here now $0 free, so that people think that this is a high value product that they can now go and download completely for free. For this little text over here, we can go and delete this. For this image over here, we can go and replace this image. Click on the little pen, click on image, click on image selected so we can go and upload our image. Come over to the folder where you've downloaded this photography product, click on covers, and we can go and download this cover over here so that it will replace this image over here, which will look something like this. Select your image, click on confirm, click on apply, and this is what it will look like when it's complete. On the sign up button over here, click on edit style, and we need to go and select link, click on pop in an opt-in form. We need to go and click on any one of these templates over here. For example, this one, just drag it onto your page. So now we can go and edit this text and picture. So we want to go and type here, enter email below to download, and we can go and delete the subtext over here. This image again, we can go and replace with the same picture we've just uploaded. Click on confirm and click on apply so that it looks like this. For our form, we need to come back to our Kartra homepage, go and click on my forms on the left over here. This is also very important. I recommend that you keep watching with me. Click on plus new form, go and enter the name. For example, photography, it doesn't really matter the name. Click on create, and this is the tool that is going to go and collect all the emails and the leads and assign them to a list where we can go and run these email campaigns. As default, leave as is, first name and email, click on save, leave single opt-in as the default, click on save, and for your success page, we want to lead our leads to our Digistore affiliate link over here. So go and copy your affiliate link, go and paste this over here, click on save, and click on save and next. So that means when people click on the download free button now, it's going to send them their ebook to the email and then take them to the membership area where we can go and get $13 affiliate commissions every single month passively, which is upselling them to our product. This welcome message is super important over here because we need to have an email sent out to them where they can go and download their free product via their email. So over here for the subject, we can just type here, your free download is available. We can type here photography tricks, and we can just go and type here hi and replace this with their first name, so it will greet them with their name. And we can type here your download is available at this link. Come over to your downloads and copy the same download link that you've gotten from your browser. Paste this underneath, go and highlight this, click on link, and go and paste your link over here. This just makes it a clickable link. And we want to type here, kind regards, J, the photography tricks support team. This email is now ready to send. Click on save and next. Under your subscribe to lists, click on change, click on yes, subscribe to list, click on add, click on save, and over here, and this will now save them to a list where we can go and send out email sequences to this entire list. Click on save and next over here and click on save, and this form is now complete. Come back to your Kartra design page, click on actions on the top right, click on save progress. So this page is now saved. Right click, reload this page so that it can reload the new form that we've created. Click on the button, click on edit pen. We just want to type under the text here, instead of sign up, download. And we want to click on link, and we just want to go and click on edit configure form. Click on this pen and click on the form that we have just created. In our case, it's the photography form. Click on apply, and our page is now complete. Click on actions, click on publish live, and this page is ready to go and promote. So when people click on this page, for example, this link over here, they click on download and they enter the name and email over here, it will then send this entire download to the email. And take a look here. If I click on, for example, sign up, it will take them through to this page over here, earn from your photos and sell your photos online today, which way if they sign up over here, you are going to get $13 commission every single month. And then your leads stand a chance to make money from their photos as well. So it's a win-win for everybody. That's going to lead us to step 2, is getting traffic to this page that we have just created over here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over to TikTok. We're not going to make content. We're not going to produce TikToks. We're not going to record any of our face. We're not going to talk into a microphone. This is a really good strategy where I pair up TikTok and Pinterest to form an absolute gem of a traffic strategy over here. If we go and search photography tips on TikTok, take a look at this. We can go and utilize all of this viral content. For example, we can go and choose this TikTok over here, which teaches you how to take professional photos with your phone. Go and copy this TikTok link over here. Come over to Google and just type TikTok download without the watermark. Click on enter, come over to the first link over here, and you can go and download this TikTok without the watermark and use this for yourself. We're going to go and click on download server 02 full HD, and you'll see over here this video is now downloading to my PC. You then want to come over to Pinterest over here. I'm going to come over just to the Pinterest homepage, for example, the home feed. And what you want to do is you want to go and create a Pinterest photography page. You can come over to search bar and just go and search photography to get ideas on what kind of page you can go and create. And take a look at this. You can see some people doing this already. They're just reposting TikToks onto Pinterest. You want to go and click on create over here, click on create pin, upload that TikTok we have just downloaded. And all we want to type here is change your photography game with this simple trick. And over here for the descriptions, tell everyone what your pin is about, get paid from your photos down below. And then all you want to go and do is go and copy your destination link, go and copy the page we have just created on Kartra, go and paste this over here on Pinterest, and now we can go and click on publish over here. Doing this and setting a schedule for yourself by going and choosing some of the most viral photography content on TikTok over here and going and posting this on Pinterest with your link to your page is an excellent way to get a lot of clicks and a lot of affiliate sales. You'll see over here, if I come back to the Pinterest home feed and I go and search photography, let's just go and search photography. Take a look at how many views some of these posts are getting over here. This view that I showed you of this person that reposted this TikTok has gotten over 27,000 reactions. And all he's doing is he's got a link to his YouTube channel. So he's monetizing his Pinterest page by growing his YouTube channel and getting views there and earning from ad revenue. In our case, we're monetizing our Pinterest page by using our affiliate link and doing the strategy. And what I recommend is to go and get viral at the strategy is to go and set a schedule for yourself. Use the concept of volume. Set a challenge and post every day for 30 days. If your first 30 videos are getting 20 views each, that is now over 600 views every single month. Let's say you've been posting for 2 months and now every video is now getting 200 views at a total of 60 videos. That's now 12,000 views every single month, which can end up to a lot of conversions every single month. And because this affiliate program is paying completely passive, you can still earn from views and from affiliate commissions and affiliate signups that you've gotten years ago still today. And that is the power of this affiliate marketing strategy. So what I'm going to do is to help you out more with affiliate marketing and strategies like this. I'm going to give you an entire program that I've created on my YouTube channel completely for free. It's not some crazy upsell to some crazy $2,000 course. It's a free playlist on YouTube of my best videos that I've made in the past couple of years. So what I recommend is go and check out this playlist over here. It will teach you tons of traffic strategies that you can use with this landing page that you've just created. So go and click on this playlist over there and I'll see you over there.